Can Adobe InDesign solve your print export font errors? Have you ever faced font errors while exporting your design for print in Adobe InDesign? If so, you are not alone. Font issues can be frustrating, but the good news is that Adobe InDesign has several solutions to help you tackle these problems effectively. When you export a document for print, font errors often occur due to missing, damaged, or improperly embedded fonts. Adobe InDesign usually embeds fonts automatically when creating a portable document format file. This is essential for ensuring that your fonts display correctly on different systems and printers. However, if you encounter missing fonts or issues with embedding, it can lead to export errors or printing problems. To start resolving font-related issues, first, check the fonts used in your document. A good practice is to minimize the number of fonts in your design. Testing fonts individually can help identify any corrupted ones. If you discover damaged fonts, replace them by reinstalling or downloading fresh versions from the font provider. If you still see missing font reports during PDF export, try saving your document as an InDesign Markup Language file and then reopen it. This method can clear file corruption that sometimes leads to font errors. Another helpful tip is to save a copy of your file in a new location, close it, and then reopen it before attempting to export again. In cases where fonts do not embed properly during PDF export, consider exporting to a different PDF standard or using alternative export settings. For instance, exporting without strict PDFX when a compliance might help avoid font embedding issues. Just be sure to confirm that this meets your printer's requirements. If you are printing directly from Adobe InDesign to a PostScript printer, you can test if fonts are causing the issue by excluding them from printing. If excluding fonts allows you to print, it indicates a font problem. You can then isolate the problematic font by testing them one at a time in a new document. Additionally, always ensure that all linked graphics and fonts are valid and properly linked in the Links panel. Missing or corrupted linked files can also contribute to export errors. In summary, Adobe InDesign offers various tools and workflows to help you identify and fix font errors during print export. By isolating fonts, saving files as InDesign Markup Language, and adjusting export settings, you can manage and resolve most common font export issues. This will enable you to create print-ready PDF files with ease.